Hey girl, hey! Welcome to Get Ready With Me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a top leader with AVON, and we're going to do some quick makeup tips this morning. So thank you for joining and let's get down to business. Okay, first of all, we've got to pull this hair back because I can't do my makeup with my hair in my face. So it's clean. I didn't have to use dry shampoo today. That's a huge win for me. Okay, so we've already done our morning skincare regimen. We're going to go in now with some ink lasting primer to help fill in those pores, take away oil, and set our makeup for the day. Of course, you always want your makeup to last longer than it would normally. So this primer is going to help you to set that makeup for about 8 to 10 hours, which is a huge win when you're a mom or you're a busy girl on the go. This bottle I've had for almost 2 months and it does not take much. So we are all primed and ready to go. And then we are going to hop in with our concealer. I'm using the Magix wand in the shade Marshmallow. So while I'm applying this, I will tell you that I've noticed that my face has kind of had a little bit of a buildup on it lately, which happens when you wear makeup often. So if you don't know how to, I'm just making sure that my depuffing eye serum is dry, using that to get these bags. If you don't know this trick, about two to three times per week, I'm using an exfoliant. This is our vitamin C warming peel, just to kind of get that dead skin off. So I cleanse my face in the shower and then I use my exfoliant. Okay, with that I went in a downward motion, made a downward triangle, same on my nose here. There we go, just to help pull that light away from those bags. I'm gonna let it set for just a second and then I will blend that in. But an exfoliant is a good way to take off that sludge, that stuff that clogs your pores. You don't want to use it every day because you don't want to damage, it can be rough on your skin because it's got some little beads in it. So you don't want to be using it every single day. But to use it, a couple of times a week is a great way to help revive your skin. The vitamin C has the power of like 40 oranges in it. And so it also helps brighten your skin, which, it's winter and we all need a little bit of extra brightening. So I'm loving that part of it. Okay, so I took my ring finger and I just blended in that concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my ink lasting foundation, taking my Ruby Cell Puff, and then I will firmly push it down into my cushion, pick up some of the makeup, and off we go. We are patting in. It really just takes one push. The cool thing about this ink lasting is, like I said, I'm going like 2 months on it. So it's not something that's going to have to be replaced really often. And I do my makeup pretty much every day. Sometimes I don't, like on Saturdays, but I do most of the time. Okay, so we're just blending by patting gently into our skin. And this is going to give you a medium to full coverage, which I love because I'm a full coverage girl. Now, I do like the Magix tint that we have for like a light coverage, like you're just going to run to the grocery store and you just want to put a little bit of coverage on, or going to be around the house, not doing a whole lot. That is a great light coverage option. Okay, we're done. What do you think? It's blended. The bags already look better. I'm already loving the transformation. What do you think about my shirt? Mascara, concealer, lipstick, and selfie. This is coming to my store very soon, so be watching. I'll let you guys know as soon as it's available on my store. It's really cute. And it's a t-shirt, it's a long sleeve shirt. It's super comfortable. Okay, so now we're gonna go in really quick and we're gonna do some brows, but I have something new to show you guys today. So let me do my brows and then I will show you this new thing. So I'm just brushing it down, and then I'm gonna line it. Oh, I just seen where I missed. I missed blending. My phone camera is not the best mirror to use. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with dark brown. And I'm just going to follow the natural line of my of my brows here. And just fill them in. Not doing anything very extravagant. Not creating new brows. I'm just following the line and filling in what I've already got. The main problem I'm having right now is that this little mirror that I'm using is dirty. I know. I know you should never get ready with a dirty matte mirror, but I am a mom on the go. Let's clean it. Okay. Better. All right. Now I'm going to go in with the translucent loose powder and just set my foundation, my under eye concealer, just set everything into place. It also gives me a little bit of a matte finish. So putting it on my powder brush. There we go. Currently, we do not have translucent loose powder on our website. However, we have like flawless press powder in translucent. So a good press powder with a blush can get you the same effect and still do the job. Don't forget your neck because you want to blend in. Nobody wants those ugly makeup lines. Not fun ever. Okay, so we've got that going on now. Let me show you something new. This is our new Mono Pop eyeshadow palette in Nude. Oh my gosh, you are going to love these shades. The color payoff is amazing. The pigmentation is unbelievable. So that is that dark brown. Let me show y'all this. Kind of a burgundy color. Oh my gosh. It also is lasting all day long. Check out those colors. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So we're going to go in now with the lightest shade on here. We're going to pick this one right here. And we're going to use it to cover the entire lid of our eye. Here we go. The cool thing I've noticed I've been practicing with this palette for a while, and the cool thing I'm noticing about it is it's the kind of eyeshadow that stays with you all day long. It's not rubbing off halfway through the day. It's really lasting and staying. Okay, for our crease today, we are going to use this neutral nude in the middle here with a rounder eyeshadow brush. Gonna go in and work that crease, baby. Work it. Starting from the outside, working in towards the middle in the crease of your eye. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna take that darker shade right here and we're going to blend. So I'm going to go across the bottom of my lid and work it up to the crease to blend, blend, blend. And kind of highlight that color just a little bit. And then you're going to have a mono popping eye. How about that? Now I also like a little bit of shimmer. I'm a shimmer girl. So once I get my eyes set the way I want them, I'm going to go back in with this, with my smoother eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to pick up this champagne color right here in the corner. And I'm going to just go right here to the insides of my eyes and it's going to make you have a more youthful glow and gives you a little pop of color, a little pop of shimmer shimmer. Everybody likes a little shimmer shimmer, right? Okay, there we go. And you could even go in with that same color and cover like the bottom of your eye if you wanted to add a little bit more shimmer to it. Yes, I'm loving this. So this is coming in the next 2 weeks. You're going to be able to order it for yourself. You're going to want to get it. We have it in 2 different shade palettes. You're going to need this in your life. It's awesome. Next, I'm going in with the Precision Liquid Liner in black. And just going to make that bold line there. Perfect. Brought it halfway underneath. Wow. Okay, so we're going to just pull it halfway underneath on both sides to give the eye more of an illusion of a pop, because we went in with that champagne color on the insides. This is going to pull it out and make your eyes look bigger. Can you tell the difference already? I can already see the difference. So let's go ahead and do our mascara and let you see how that full effect works. So I'm going to curl my lashes to make them point up to the heavens. Hello, there went the curler. And then I'm going to pull out my Love Mascara, I think. Love Mascara. There we go. Okay. Start at the base of your lash and wisp it up to give your lashes the full effect of the mascara and to help direct those lashes up. So I already made a boo-boo with my mascara, which happens, that's life. So I'm just going to take my pad and just tap, tap, tap underneath, and it cleared it right up. Yay. Okay, other eye. Can you see the difference already with one eye done? Perfect. Perfect. If you don't like the hard line of eyeliner, another cool trick, which I've already put my mascara on, so I won't do it, but another cool trick is you can take that same champagne color with that eyeshadow brush, that flat eyeshadow brush, and you can just tap, tap, tap and kind of blend that underneath to give you more of a smudged look. Some eyeliners have like a smudger on the end that you can use to do that too. So not going to do that today because we've already done this. So I'm going to use my Time to Shine palette with my blush because I'm loving these blush colors in here. I'm going to pick these up for you guys. It has 2 highlighters and 2 blushes. So I'm just going to kind of mix my palette. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. I'm a mom on the go today. Have lots of errands to run. So I'm just pulling that fish look. Following my cheekbones. We have blush, boys and girls. We have blush. Okay. Finally, I'm going to finish off with, I think I'm just going to finish off with a nude lip today because I am on the go. This is Ambitious in our lip Mattitude. It's kind of a nudish color. All right, boys and girls, we are done. Thank you for getting ready with me. I hope some of these quick makeup tips helped you to be more successful in your makeup life. If you want to order any of the products I used today, those are available at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And I would love for you to shop with me. You can just order right there and have it shipped right to your house. Super cool benefit. And it's still time to get things in time for Christmas. So go online and shop. Give me a share and a like. Be sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that you also like our business page on Facebook, Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz. Thanks for getting ready. Y'all have a great day. Bye, guys.